Oh shit. Hello! RSOSOS here. And all that fucking jazz. Right. TERPSMASHER300 bang bang heads has smashed more terps upon terps upon terps. Thing needs a wash. Now what would you say is the best way? Imagine fucking scraping it all and then smoking it. Jeez. Or you just, what do you reckon, ISO wipe it? I've answered my own question, but this is the this is the, am I right or am I wrong? ISO wiped. That's what I think. Fucking wrecked out my nut. Big up fucking Nugs flavours on the fucking baby sick and all. Got me wrecked out my bean doing these videos. New horse racing game as well. Bang bang heads. Jeez. Boom. You are the winner. Anyway, back to this. Wakit.